rabbis, politicians, people in the Jewish community, there's a strong feeling that just not enough has been done to tackle anti-Semitism.
There's a lot of hurt, there's a lot of anger, there's a lot of devastation. We're right now focused on trying to get bridges, and the time will come when we can analyze why we reached where we did, but right now we're trying to help every element of this country hold hands together and really be a common light to be able to really dispel some of the darkness that's been going on.
That report from Sydney was by the BBC's Katie Watson. Well, let's examine those reports we've been hearing that the father and son of two gunmen, Sajid and Naveen Akram, may have undertaken military-style training in the southern part of the Philippines, where Islamist groups have been known to operate. Joining us